Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the NestJS. Today we are going to learn how to define routes and the controllers in the NestJS. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. Defining routes and controllers in the Nest.js involves creating a controllers to handle incoming requests and specifying the routes to map these controllers to specific endpoints. Controllers encapsulates the request handling logic and responsible for processing incoming requests and returning responses. Okay, so let's see what exactly it is. So define your controller logic by creating the methods with the decorated with HTTP verbs @get, @post, @put, @delete, etc. Okay, so here we already in the previous videos we have already learned about this, like @controller cats. Okay, so here if I go to that one @controller cats, okay, so you can see that. So decorates the class specifying that this controller will handle the endpoints under the cat's route. So this is cat's route. So whatever next you can mention, it will go under the cat's module, right? @get, @post. Decorators define the methods to handle get and the post request. So here we have a get request, then we have a post request. And if I go to the terminal, here you can mention that one. So we have a cat controllers with the endpoint cats. Slash cats will give you the get route, and the slash cats will go with the post route. Okay, so this is that one. In your module file, app module.ts or separate module, import the controller and specify it in a controllers array within the module decorator. Okay, so here you can see that. So here we have a controllers, that is cat controller. Add the controller of the module. Okay, so here we go with this one. So if I go to that one, okay, so app.module.ts, here you can see that we have import the full cat module, not the controller, the cat module already there. So in the main of that one, this is simple cat one cat module. So here they have they have on their controllers, they have a providers and the exports. Okay, so we are using this one. So here we are providing the controller, here we are providing the services. So cat services that can be exported anywhere, used in the module. Okay, so this cat module we have directly used into our app module and using their features over there, right? So controllers handle incoming request and define the endpoints logic. Route handling define the routes by specifying the base in the path controller decorator. Methods with a specific HTTP verb get, post, and the etc. Module configuration import the controller in the respective module and include into the controllers of array to make it available for handling the request. Okay, so this is the thing. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.